What if a plane disappeared? Like a magic trick, you have a plane, and suddenly it's gone. Thankfully, this is not a concern for those taking planes. A more real concern is a different kind of disappearing plane. Planes disappear from radars tracking the skies for many different reasons, from unreliable sensors to bad weather. In any case, a plane disappearing off the radars is a big concern for air traffic control and government agencies tasked with keeping the sky safe. For that precise reason, our mentors, Andy Wilson and Kat Ward, presented us with the problem of determining a flight's destination given the start of a flight's path. Flights tend to take similar paths, also called corridors, across our skies. For example, we can look at a flights coming into O'Hare International Airport in Chicago. We can see that the flights take similar paths when going between different airports. We can scale this idea up and see that this is the case for most, if not all, flights traveling the skies today. The second picture on the top here shows the flights coming in and out of O'Hare. The idea of corridors in the sky inspired the team to make the skies of the US into a big grid where each cell would have a portion of the United States longitude, latitude, and altitude. A simple way to think about a solution is by using paint and paint buckets. If we give historical flights paint cans where its destination airport has a unique color, and the flight's filled buckets, which are the cells, along its course with the paint, we can compare the colors in the buckets that are along the lost flight's path and predict its destination. If we can see on the bottom left here with an image and the top right, it shows what the grid would look like with a flight and the different cells being the green boxes. And then in the bottom left example here, it shows the trajectories of the planes on which airport they're most likely going to in that specific cell. So our preliminary results show our solution having a correct prediction airport in a list of top 20 75% of the time. And we get the top prediction, the number one prediction, 31% of the time. And you can see our more detailed interpretation of our results on the bottom right here. In today's day and age, with all the technology we have, we still lose track of planes. Thankfully, you do not need to worry about flight travel because our solution will help air traffic control and the right agencies be able to determine what airport your plane will land at.